The House is expected to vote on a final financial relief package to address high inflation. This was the original reason for the special session. After a long debate yesterday, members approved an amendment that would combine the House and the Senate's plans. It includes a $200 tax refund. It's down from the original $225 approved by the House. People who did not file taxes can still apply for the refund next year. The plan also caps the gas sales tax through next June. Governor Holcomb released a statement on the bill saying he's extremely pleased to see the House advance Senate Bill 2 that includes returning $1 billion back to Hoosier taxpayers. He first called for those refunds back in June.